refrigerator is used to cold inside. But the strange thing is, while we walk inside the refrigerator, it's warm. And we find out that the heat is coming from the compressor. The compressor of the refrigerator is hot. It has heat. So you think if we don't reuse the heat, it's a pity. So we collect this heat from the compressor to make this warm heat.
So we put a cap tube on our compressor, then we use the expansion pump, put the water inside. Then the water around our cap tube, the water will take out the compressor's heat, and the heat water will come back to our warm heater, and the warm heater will
And you can warm some coffee, some bread inside. And our warm keeper's heat is all comes from the refrigerator. So we don't need extra energy to make this thing. It's good for our earth. And our invention that the normal refrigerator not only can ice food, it can also warm food.
why we use this material
To keep the warm.
because we have tried many material rubber from tube, and that's we find the latest method. So we use this to keep us warm and to keep a temperature. That is it.
We find out that aluminum EPE plate is the best Now it's not good because you know that the refrigerator you turn on all day long. So you can put if you didn't want to keep something, you can put it or turn on the morning. You can warm things
Yeah.
Circulating around.
Yeah.
Water is pumping out.
And see,
Iron plate to keep the
the water is coming to our inside bubble. The water is
come out from the hole and the warm come out from the outside. So it has Thank you very much.